Hello and good day to everyone. In today's video I'll be showing you how to buy NFTs on the Binance market. Before that, I'd like to ask you to go visit our sponsors for today's video, MEXC, a quite easy and fast way to trade crypto online. Also FTMO, if you want to trade with other people's money and you want to keep up to 90% of the profits for yourself, FTMO will let you do that, and they will let you trade with up to 200k of other people's money if you can prove to them that you have the skills and knowledge to do so. Okay, so NFTs. They've been actually around for quite some time now, but Binance just recently, well, not very recently, but got into the market for them, and as you can see, it even says new on their page. So go to Binance.com and on the top left click NFT. Wait for it to load, and you'll be taken to the NFT marketplace. To the NFT part of the section, and just click marketplace. So you can either search NFTs by whatever you want, or you can directly see the top sales, top collections, top creators, etc. Let's see what do we have. Okay, it's listed by ending soon, and you can see that it's actually in real time, and all these have ended. You have to catch them quite in the last moment. See, it's 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, 0, ended. So let's scroll down a bit. I just want to show you something. You can either buy it immediately, or you can bid on an NFT. For example, let's open this Bored Ape. You see, it gives the option to buy it immediately when you click buy now, and you just have to have enough funds, of course, and click confirm. It will allow you to buy it immediately, and you own this NFT, meaning there's no competition for it. But with some other NFTs, it's not that the case. With some other NFTs, it's a bid war going on, meaning you cannot buy it instantly. You have to compete with others and bid on the price to be able to get it. When it says just price, these are buy nows essentially, but when it says current bid, like this one, let's open it. Interesting art. You have to place a bid to be able to buy it, and you must place the highest bid for you to win it. So when you click place bid, as you see, you have to you can place. They also have a buyout price, which is usually quite higher from the starting one, but most people don't. Anyways, as you see, it ended at 79 BUSD. Don't go for that if you don't really want to exactly, but you can just bid on it. It ended at $20 less than what was required to buy it now. So that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching. See you next time.